I'm here at the World Cultural Festival, organized by Art of Living. We hear that more than 1 million people have attended this event. It's probably the first time that in a city like Washington, D.C., we had 1 million people come together for an event. It's a landslide success for Art of Living. Occams Advisory sponsored this event among other proud sponsors because we align with the value of this organization. The impact they have made in 180 countries across tens of millions of volunteers and in key political situations and social causes speaks volumes about their contributions over the last 45 years. In leadership of Sri Sri, this organization has gone from strength to strength, and we are very proud to be achieving the success with them and participating with them in all these major initiatives. I look forward to further events which we can co-organize and sponsor. Thank you.